Arm open to the side. Pull the ball front. 1, 2, 3, and pound you on 4. 5, 6, 7, clear on 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, pound you on 4. 5, 6, 7, clear on 8. Arm go 1 to the balcony, 2. Go down 3, 4. Other side of balcony. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step to the side, take a ball. Step to the side, take a ball. And walk away. You finish that. That's it, okay? Simple, easy. Just cool down and breathe, okay? Okay, I go with you. We go together. Let's do a swan leg, leg. Arm open. Breathe. Front. Very peaceful. Side. Clear. Left side. Hold it well. Clear. Right side arm. Down. Left side arm. Side. Let's do the swan leg. Ball height. And other side. Left side arm. Hide your face from audience. And fly away.